Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at the area between a curve and the y-axis under the application of integration. Alright, let's consider the graph. Of course, we know here is the y-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis and the horizontal line is the x-axis. Supposing we have a curve like this, and then we are asked to find the area between this curve and the y-axis. So let's draw a line that connects the curve and then another line that connects the curve. At this point, we call this point C, and then this point B. So the curve is giving us a g of y. The curve is a function of y. Meaning that y is the independent variable and then x is the dependent variable. All right, so the area bounded by the curve. The curve is giving us x equal to g of y. You can see x here is the dependent variable, y is the independent variable. Okay, the area bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the lines which are y equal to c and y equal to d is giving us, so the area is giving us area equal to integral from c to d, and then we have the function which is g of y with respect to y. So the area is going to be integral from c to d, g of y with respect to y. So this will be the area between the curve, the two lines, and the y-axis. All right. So if you understand that, let's pick an example to buttress the points. Example 1. Find the area between the curve x equal to 4 minus y squared and the y-axis. Solution. So the points or the two lines are not given to us, so we are going to look for the two lines, and of course we are told that the curve forms an area between itself, the two line, and the y-axis. So we are going to find the area between the region bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the two lines. So we are going to find the two lines. To do that, we say let x equal to 0. When x is equal to 0 here, we slot in 0 and then we find the value of y. So that will be minus 4 equal to minus y squared. So minus cancel minus, y squared is equal to 4. So the value of y is going to be, when you take the square root of both sides, that will be plus or minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So we can take the diagram to understand or to see a clear picture of the area we are looking for. So let's take the diagram for that problem. let's take the diagram. We have the y-axis. Okay. Now we have a curve. Mind you, we have 2 points. The first one is 2, while the second one is -2. So the curve is something like this. So the curve here is giving us x equal to 4 minus y squared. So this is the curve. And now we are asked to find the region between the curve, the lines, and the y-axis. Mind you, we have 2 points. Alright, so to do that, don't forget, this is the lower limit, and this point is the upper limit. So to find the area is giving us, if you remember this, integral, the lower point is -2, and the upper limit is 2. The function given, which is g of y, is giving us 4 minus y squared. Then we have what with respect to y, dy. So we are going to integrate this function, and then we substitute the limits, and the final result will be the area of the region. Okay, so let's integrate this. When we integrate, that will be 4y, integrate 4, you have 4y, minus integrate y squared, and that will be what? Y raised to the power of 3 all over 3. Then we have from -2 to 2. So let's quickly take the limits. Okay, so we slot in the upper limits. The upper limit is 4 into 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 3 minus, then we slot in the lower limit, which is 4 into -2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 3. So we proceed. Here we have 8 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 over 3 minus, here we have -8, here we have -2 raised to the power of 3 is -8. So -8 plus and multiply by minus, that will give us +8 all over 3. So we can also clear off the brackets. That will be 8 minus 8 over 3 plus 8 minus 8 over 3. So we quickly collect like them. Here we have 16 minus 2 of these, that will be 16 over 3. So let's take LCM. LCM will be 3 into, here will be 48 minus 16, and that will be 32 all over 3. So our final answer will be 32 divided by 3 is 10 whole number 2 over 3. So this will be square units. Square units. So this is the area of the region bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the line. So here we have the final answer. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.